Welcome to Excel Master. Today we will learn how to use find and replace option in Excel. You can search through your worksheet for a particular number, formula, word or phrase with the help of Excel's find option. Find option is very useful when you have to find some data in a large worksheet. Click on the Find and Select button in the editing group. A drop-down menu appears, containing various options. Next, click on the Find option in the drop-down menu. The Find and Replace dialog box will open, displaying the Find tab. Type the data that you want to find beside the Find What option. Here, we have decided to find the name of the employee Gaurav in the data. Now, click on the Find Next button. When you have finished searching the data, click on the Close button to close the Find and Replace dialog box. Similarly, you want to update, correct, or simply replace some data in an Excel worksheet. You can do this by using the Replace option. Next, click on the Find and Select button in the editing group. Click on the Replace option in the drop-down menu. Type the data that you want to replace besides the Find What option. Next, type the replacement data for the existing data, which you have typed in figure, besides the Replace with option. Now click on the Find Next button. Excel will search the worksheet and will find the first occurrence of the data that you want to replace. After, click on the Replace button to replace the first occurrence of the data. The first occurrence of the existing data will be replaced with a new data. Click on the Replace All button if you want to replace each occurrence of the selected data in the worksheet. When you have finished replacing the data, click on the Close button to close the Find and Replace dialog box. Thanks for watching the video.